she's a lady.
So I'm here in Capetown, about to go paragliding. This is my very first time ever. I've never been. I am so excited. I'm a little nervous because they're doing these tandem flights and it looks really awkward and I have no idea how it's gonna work. But I'm about to find out, so let's go see. So we're on the ground, we made it. That was incredible. Yeah, I could do that every day. I think I'm gonna change my profession to a paraglider. It was a little nervous doing the takeoff and a bit on the landing, but once you're up there, oh my goodness, just beautiful. Really excited and happy that I got to do that. Yeah! So we're on our way up to Lion's Head up there, you can see it. I'm taking Hanlie to go paragliding and she has no idea, it's a surprise. So I told her we're going somewhere. Nice people move over for you. God, in Vancouver they would never do that. Have you guessed yet what we're about to do? Arrived back to Reinecke Families' house and was warmly welcomed as if I was one of the family. Now I'm gonna go enjoy a traditional braai. Alright, oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna get freshened up to look like a lady. Like a lady.
Whoa, she's a lady.
No, but sometimes I do like to dress up a bit.
Oh, you look so different. But
I look like a girl now. Me and Marmy went in South Africa. Better than sex. This is a bacon sausage. This is love on a stick.
was caught in January by one of my son's friends in an area called, it's the most southern tip of Africa, called Agalis. He gave us 6 of this and you're privileged to have the last one. And the story about the butter, my great-grandmother or my grandmother, they farmed in the middle of the Karoo, produced about 150 pounds of butter per week in the old traditional way with the wooden barrels that looks like a wine barrel. And that was packed into the Minky that I just showed you. And on a weekly basis there was a bus system that took all the fresh produce and whatever you want to transport to the nearest town on a weekly basis, and she sent it in every week, and that was delivered to her customers and the local shops. And obviously that was a way of, for a female to generate additional income for the family on the farm. This was Jean-Marie's first springbok that she shot, and this was Christian's first springbok, and this was at the later stage Christian shot also on our farm, traffic signs, and I just put it up here as part of the history. Farm history back to Capetown.
Yeah.
Your beer that the kegs, this thing is over 100 years old, and that comes also from my family.
Oil gruff. That's what happens when the South Africans do a braai. You wake up the next morning looking like this.
Fuck the girls needs a balance.